Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to show you my trades that I did for Friday. So what I do first thing in the morning when I get to my station is I open up my scanner trade ideas. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. And I have a scanner that looks for stocks that are gapping in the morning. So this is for the date for Friday just to show you. Let's go here. So around 6:15 a.m. on the 15th, that's Friday. And we have these stocks that are gapping up and sorted by the percentage. So we have BLIN 97%, SRNE 50%, and so forth, right? So what stocks do I choose from? First of all, these stocks are gapping up in the whole US market. So there's high chances that everyone is looking at these stocks at that current time. And it's going to be on a lot of people's watch list as well. Just like I'm interested in BLIN, SRNE, and these other stocks. But generally, we know the float of this stock is low and decent volume. But SRNE is big float, so it's going to move very, very slow. But the volume is there as well. So let's go ahead and check out the stock, right, for BLIN. By the way, these are the two that I traded. So if you look at BLIN and we look at the pre-market stock, we're seeing pretty good pattern. I mean, in general, what pattern we see in pre-market, but I don't trade in pre-market, but just to show you the pattern that I see. One is this flat top breakout, right? It tried to hit this line, it didn't break. Hit the line again, it didn't break. Hit the line here, broke, but false broke out. It tried again here and it didn't break. Tried again and didn't break. Eventually, it came up and broke. So now, at after the opening, right, I'm actually looking for the break of this pre-market high, right? Generally, I let 10, 20 seconds, sometimes even a couple of minutes go, and then I try to plan my trade, or I try to execute my trade, just because there could be a lot of selling in the beginning. Like for example, here, people that bought here for this breakout, most likely they might be selling here a lot. So then I would actually look for this break, 263, and get in. And I'm going to show you the live video I have recorded for this trade as well, and you'll see that. So that was a pattern here for pre-market for those who were interested. Flat top breakout, and over here for the pre-market high. So another thing I look for, a red to green move, meaning a stock that opened up red, but in the next few minutes, next 5-10 minutes, it hit the open price and went green and took off from there, right? And you'll see that's actually what happened for this stock. Right now it shows green, but ideally the stock actually opened up here, right, and went down and then went through the opening price, which is here, and then closed above here for the first 1 minute candle. So if you want to look at a shorter time frame, like for example, let's look at like a 5-second time frame. Maybe I can go all the way back. 1 second. How can I do that? Or maybe I can just do this. And let's do a 10-second one. And let's go back to the opening part. And let's see. Oh, did I pass it? Where did it go? Huh. Oh, that's the wrong stock. Whoops. No wonder. Let me change that to BLIN. And there we go. Okay, cool. So now if we come back on a 10-second chart, you'll see that, let me zoom in a little bit more. You'll see how, it was pretty much going up and down, right? It opened up, went back down, opened up. So that's what I was looking for. I was looking for that red to green move initially, right? So I'll go ahead and show you the video in a minute. Now the other stock that we had was SRNE, and we're gonna see that. Oh, maybe I typed in the name wrong. Oh, never mind, I did not. So we'll see over here. Let's go back to the opening part. Oh, sorry. So this was the red to green move, not the other one. I got them confused. So, but yeah, ideally you can look over here. The same thing happened here, right? Flat top breakout in the pre-market. right? It touched the line, touched the line, touched the line, and it broke over here, right? And what happened here, it opened up red, and then on the green move, I got back in for right to green move and sold at the high, right? But eventually it didn't take off. And then later on in the day it took off, but I wasn't here for that big move. So let me show you my live recap. I have a bunch of them from previous days as well, all this. So let me show you one for the 15th. So yeah, first stock I'm watching, SRNE. That's on my watch list. You'll see my trades here when I take the trade, and you'll see a trade over here for the shares I'm in and the orders executed over here. So as you can see, it's been like 50 seconds I haven't taken any trades. And if I just forward a little bit so that way we can get to the spot where, oh, right there. Okay, cool. So let me pause the video. So I got in at 443, right, for the break of the opening price. So the stock actually opened up at 441. So what I did at that point, I was looking at the time and sales here, and I saw a bunch of greens coming by. You'll see a lot of greens at 441, 440. I got it, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the right to green move at the price the stock opened up at, and looking at the time and sales. If it looks bullish, I see a lot of green coming in, I buy. And then when I'm 10 cents in, 12 cents in, I like to sell 75% of my shares. So you'll see 500. From 500, I'll go back to 125. So I have 25% shares remaining. Now I'll hold this and write this as much as I can, or I'll break even on my share side. So that way I stay in the green. So you'll see eventually I'll actually, get out at break even because the stock fails to make new highs. It actually will become resistance around this area, which it does, and you can see the top and tail. And I got out of my position. I sold at 444, got out almost 1 cent higher for the remaining 25%. And then you'll see for the next stock I was trading was BLIN. Let me move forward here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna come in right here. Oh, I think I took more SRNE trades actually. Okay. So I think I took more SRNE for the break of a higher day. And you'll see that it'll hit the higher day. I'll get in and then I'll get back out. So I got in, right? And it won't break it. And then I got back out for a loss, so I gave some profit away. But you're gonna see that was actually a minor pullback, and it's gonna try to break again the high of day, and I'll get back in again. So you're gonna see that in about 5-10 seconds over here. So high of day, right? It's around 473 high of day. I see a bunch of greens. A bunch of greens are coming in, so I'm gonna get in. You'll see in a quick second. Right there, I got in 479. I got a little bit late, but I got in. So, and you'll see I'm going to sell 75% of my shares again right there. So now remaining 25%, I'm going to see if I can write that out, or I'll break even on the rest of my shares. So let's see and I got out. So I pretty much got back the profit that I gave earlier away. And that was it. Yeah, so I didn't trade BLIN. I thought I did, but I think I was looking for a setup on BLIN. I saw something, but it didn't actually fall through, so I didn't take the trades on BLIN. So all I traded today was SRNE, and yeah, that's it. I don't think I have any other trades. Yeah, that's it. So I'm up 49 bucks. It's not a home run. I've been trading for about 5 months, and recently I've been very consistent. So that's why I wanted to make YouTube videos to show you and teach you that you can make 50-60 bucks a day. So if you're interested in that, if you want to learn more, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be making live recaps every day, and as I get more comfortable on speaking and taking trades and multitasking, I'll be doing live YouTube sessions and live videos, so that way you can see me while I'm trading. In the meantime, watch my recaps, learn from my recaps, and take notes. so that way you don't make these mistakes as well. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that way you get notified when I put out a new recap. I'll see you guys Monday.